What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Adam, and I have here the DJI Osmo 360, and I've just had it for just under a week. I've only gotten a couple of times to really play with it and get to know it a little bit, and so I still have a lot to learn on it. I still have a lot I want to test out and try that I'm going to be doing, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever those videos go up. But I wanted to give my real quick first initial thoughts, and I'm going to make this really quick, I promise. First, the pros. The image quality is fantastic. I'm coming from the Insta360 X3, and the image quality is so much better starting from that 8K, because then by the time you actually crop it down to what you're going to use, it's way better than the 5.7K starting out from the X3. So really cool. I really enjoy that. Really good low light performance. I use it as a dash cam, actually, and I really enjoy. I drive at night because I work early in the morning, so I need low light performance if I'm going to use it as dash cam, and it does really, really well for that. I'm really happy with that so far. And actually, the next thing isn't even about the camera. It's about, and it's kind of quirky, it comes with this rubber cover for the lenses, and if you notice, I don't know if you've noticed, it has this little circle divot on the sides, and I always wondered, like, the first few days, I'm like, why is that like that? And then I realized it fits perfectly over the selfie stick, so now you don't have to put it in your pocket, you don't have to hold on to it, you're not going to lose it as well. So I really like that. I think that was just such a small detail, but that kind of is DJI's thing, is like little details that help out a lot if you actually think about it. So I threw that on the list. It's kind of weird, kind of quirky, but I liked it. Next thing is onboard storage, because the other day I really, really wanted to go use this. I took it to my kid's soccer game, wanted to use it around the park, got there, and I was like, oh, I forgot to put an SD card in it. And then I remembered, oh, it's got, what, 105 gig of internal storage, so I was still able to use it, and I think that's really cool. So definitely, I used to be kind of all about internal storage because I want external because I want to take it with me, but it ended up being okay, and it saved me in that case, so that's a real big plus. And then also, I like that on the bottom, it has the magnetic clips for the attachment, the mount that comes with it, but it also still kept that 1/4-inch socket, the hole. I really enjoy that because I have a lot of tripods and things that use that, and maybe I don't want to use the clip because sometimes that magnet makes me a little nervous. So I really like having both because I don't want to pick between either or. So having both is a really big win in my book. Now, I do have a few cons though, and I'll make this really quick, I promise. I don't like that the selfie stick can only be at 90 or 180 degrees. So you can either have it like this, or you hit the button and it's up like this. There's no in between this or this. And I don't love that because I feel like eventually you're going to see the stitch marks when you're taking a video. So I try to tilt it exactly where I need it so that those stitch marks are as far away from what I want to keep as possible. So I would like to use probably a different selfie stick or a different mount, but that's getting pretty picky. Next thing, the battery initially seemed to run out kind of quickly. I need to verify that. So as soon as I'm done recording this video, it's at 100% now. I'm gonna pop it on my dash cam on my drive to work, see how long it handles it. I'm gonna make a video posting about that. But that was my first impression. I kind of looked at it, I was like, oh, it's already at 30%. I didn't feel like I was using it that long. So that's another thing. And then lastly, while I do like how short this is compared to like the X3 that's up here, because then I can fit it in more places, the problem comes in that now there's not very much space to grab it, because I don't want to put my thumb on the touch screen, especially if it's on, to hold it like this. And then you obviously can't touch the lenses, so that means I have to like hold it such a tiny, small way. So that is gonna take some getting used to. I don't think it's a deal breaker by any means, because again, I wanted it shorter. That's my number one priority after image quality, but it's almost too short. So it'd be nice if there was something better to grip here, but again, that's being picky. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Have you bought it? Are you going to? Has this helped you? I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.